Join me as I dive deep into the latest Icct stock analysis and see if I can predict its next move. Icct, or Innovator Environmental, Social, and Governance Equity ETF, has been making waves in the market with its unique approach to sustainable investing. The company's focus on environmental, social, and governance factors has attracted a lot of attention from investors looking for ways to make a positive impact with their investments. But, what's behind Icct's recent performance, and what can we expect from it in the future? One of the biggest challenges Icct is facing is competition from other ESG-focused funds. With more and more investors looking for sustainable investment options, the competition for assets is heating up. Icct needs to differentiate itself and prove its value proposition to investors. Regulatory issues are another challenge Icct needs to navigate. Changes in government policies and regulations can have a significant impact on the company's performance, and Icct needs to stay on top of these developments to make informed investment decisions. For instance, shifts in tax policies or environmental regulations can affect the profitability of companies in Icct's portfolio. The market is also seeing a surge in ESG-focused investing, which can create both opportunities and challenges for Icct. As more investors pile into ESG funds, Icct needs to ensure it's getting the best possible returns for its investors. Let's take a look at Icct's current financials. The company's recent quarterly earnings report showed strong growth in assets under management, which is a positive sign for investors. However, some experts are concerned about the company's high expense ratio, which could eat into investors' returns. Recent news has also been a mixed bag for Icct. On the one hand, the company has announced some new partnerships with sustainable energy companies, which could drive growth in the future. On the other hand, some of the companies in Icct's portfolio have faced criticism for their environmental practices, which could impact the company's reputation. Expert opinions on Icct are varied, with some analysts predicting strong growth and others expressing caution. Some experts believe Icct's focus on ESG factors will continue to attract investors, while others think the company's high expense ratio and competition from other ESG funds could be a drag on performance. The critical insight here is that Icct's future prospects are closely tied to the growth of the ESG investing trend. If ESG investing continues to attract more investors, Icct could see strong growth in assets under management and revenue. However, if the trend slows or reverses, Icct could face significant challenges. In terms of turning points, Icct's next quarterly earnings report could be a major catalyst for the stock. If the company can show strong growth in assets under management and revenue, it could be a positive sign for investors. On the other hand, if the report is weak, it could lead to a decline in investor confidence. To navigate these challenges and opportunities, Icct needs to stay focused on its core mission of providing sustainable investment options. The company's commitment to ESG factors and sustainable investing could be a major differentiator in a crowded market. Icct's stock performance will likely be closely watched by investors in the coming months. With its unique approach to sustainable investing, Icct has the potential to be a leader in the ESG space. To sum it up, Icct's analysis reveals both opportunities and challenges. The company's focus on ESG factors and sustainable investing has attracted a lot of attention from investors, but it needs to navigate competition, regulatory issues, and changes in the market to succeed. What do you think about Icct's prospects? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to learn more about Icct and other stocks, be sure to check out my previous analysis videos for more insights.